Hi, in this video I'll show you how to change cube to arch. Let's start. Select the cube. Change its dimension by pressing S, then X to change the length of X edge. Then press S, then Z to change the length of Z edge. Then press S, then Y to change the length of Y edge. Change the mode from object mode to edit mode. Change the select mode from vertex select to edge select. Select these two edges. Press Ctrl and B together, then drag with the mouse. To stop overlapping, press C to enable clamp. Select the bevel menu which appeared at the left bottom corner and change the segments to suitable number. Change the select mode to select face, then select the front and back faces. Press I, then drag. Press delete, then select faces. Change the select mode to edge select. Select one edge, then press Alt, then select the next edge. This will give edge loop selection. Press Shift and select edge from the back side, then press Alt and Shift and select the next edge. Press Ctrl and E together, then select bridge edge loops. And this is the arch.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.